If you need to update your phone number on Paramount Plus, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for section labeled personal information or account information. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field for your phone number and enter the new number you wish to use. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your new phone number is saved to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Paramount Plus will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.